Hello friends, this is a short pant. This is a ready-made short pant, but it has become very old now, and you could see the elastic, which is very loose. So I want to change the elastic of this pant. So what we would do is we will remove this stitch, this down stitch, and take this elastic out. For that we will be using a seam ripper to remove this, or you can use a needle to remove this. And take your measurement, your waist measurement, how much it is, and once you take your waist measurement, you can attach elastic to this. Just remove the stitch and attach another elastic to it. So here I am using a seam ripper to remove the stitch. So like this I have removed half of the elastic. Now remaining half I would be removing. First what we would do is we will just join these two parts. So we'll fold it like this and fold it like this, and we will give a stitch over here. So I have given a double stitch over here so that this elastic will be firmly fixed. So now we are going to hold it like this. So this is double part of the elastic. Now the waist size of this pant is more and the elastic waist size is less. So how we will fix this elastic for this pant? You hold this pant like this, hold this pant like this, and now we have made two parts. So this edge, this side edge of this pant, extreme side of this pant, you can place this elastic like this. And we will attach all pin over here. And now this other edge of this elastic, we will attach the extreme right of this elastic. So here we will attach this part. And then we will fix an awl pin over here. Okay, now from here till here, this much elastic we have to attach to this much fabric, the front fabric. So while attaching it, we will pull this elastic and attach, and then the back side of this elastic we will attach to the back side of this pant. While attaching, we have to pull this elastic and attach, so that it will cover the complete fabric. Now you could see this part is more and the elastic is less. So how we are going to attach this? So half of this elastic, now this is half of the elastic and this is the other part of the elastic. So you have to select the center point of this half of the elastic. So this half of the elastic, we will just see where is the center. So this is the center of half of the elastic. Now we will see the half of this pant, the center of half of this pant. Now we have to fix the half of the elastic till the half of this pant, and we have to pull and attach, and the remaining half to this half of the pant we will pull and attach. So this is the half and this is the half. Here I attach all pin and then I will pull this. I hope it's visible. I will pull this and then pull till here and then stitch. Now you could see half of the elastic I attached. Now this half is remaining and half part of the half Bermuda is remaining. So here also we will pull this elastic like this and attach. Likewise you need to stitch the other side so that your elastic will get fixed perfectly. Now we have attached this elastic, so we will remove now the fabric and to get a good finishing we will keep the front side out and we will stitch from here so that the elastic will be firmly attached. We have attached this elastic successfully. This part you could wonder why this stamp is there. It was already there in the elastic. It may go after wash, hopefully. So this is how we attach elastic to our pant. So likewise you need to attach elastic if your short pants elastic is loose. Thank you for watching.